How to switch to Instagram professional account. In this short video, I'm going to show you how you're able to switch your Instagram account to a professional account. Before I do that, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Okay, so first, open up the Instagram app on your mobile device, then head over to your profile by tapping on your profile icon in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Once in your profile, tap on the menu button in the top right hand corner of the screen, then tap on settings. Next, tap on account. Scroll all the way down to where it says switch to professional account. Next, tap on continue, 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 continue. What best describes you? So categories help people find an account like yours. You can change this at any time. So I'm just going to change mine to digital creator. You can choose whichever one's relevant to you. You have the option to toggle on display on profile or not. I'm going to leave that off. Then next I'm going to click on done. And then it can take up to 30 seconds to finish creating your professional account. So then it's asking, are you a creator? So you're either a creator or business. So I'm just going to tap on next. Then if you want to sign up for resources and offers to help grow your brand, so you can toggle this one on or off. Then tap on next. Do you want to share logins using Account Center? So that makes it easier to log in with Facebook or Instagram, share your stories and posts, and manage your accounts in one place. I'm going to say not now. So now you have professional tools to connect with your audience on Instagram. So you can set up your professional account. So you can click on complete your profile. You can put in your details here. Then once you've done that, tap on the tick button in the top right hand corner. Or you can also add a profile photo. So I've now added my profile photo. Tap on tick. Next, tap on get inspired. So you can follow other businesses or creators to see how they share content and engage with their audience. So you can just tap on follow if you want to follow somebody. Scroll down, choose anyone that you'd like to, and then tap on the tick button at the top right hand corner. And lastly, tap on grow your audience. Then click on done. And you've now switched to a professional account. And that's what it takes to switch to a professional account on Instagram. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.